Recently, I bought this Urban 20 watt QC plus PD dual wall adapter. So it comes with dual port, it supports dual charging. So you can charge two devices simultaneously, and it also comes with 1 year warranty. And basically, it's made in India product. Coming to this 2.5 times faster claim, which I'll review in later part. But before that, let me show you some written specifications. So it comes with a auto detection feature, 20 watt maximum output, BIS certified. Coming to compatibility, so it supports almost all devices. It also supports QC 3.0, PD 3.0. Sadly, AFC is missing adaptive fast charging, which they have mentioned on their site and Amazon also, but that is nowhere written on their box. Coming to the super fast 20 watt, you need to buy separate cable which supports 20 watt charging. Coming to pricing of this product, which is 1999 on box, and you can purchase it from Amazon for 999. But during the event of sale, you can easily purchase this for 600 to 700 rupees. Apart from this, this is made in India product, and manufacturing details, toll-free number, email support, and their website details. So finally, you can pause this video for your reference if you need to read this section carefully. Let me keep it aside. Let's see what else we get. So as in content, we only get this adapter and this 1 year replacement warranty leaflet. So basically you need to click a picture of your invoice and WhatsApp the pictures. So that's all. Let me keep it aside. Finally, coming to this main unit, it does support fast charging, but doesn't work well with Samsung devices, as it takes a lot of time. I have tried both ports but failed to charge similarly to Samsung adapters. So however, I have not tested other devices, so it works with them at the given output respectively. So charging speed may vary. And coming to build quality, it seems like strong and sturdy. So at quick instance, it's impossible to say anything about this particular product, but with Samsung devices I don't think so it really works that well. It shows fast charging but doesn't work near to it. So coming to this 20 watt fast charging claim, that is missing. But with other devices, users who really want to try with the QC supported devices and PD supported devices, they can really connect this charger. So it works well in that case. So I hope I have summed everything in this review. So thanks for watching. Thank you.